Hello, my name is Ken Harrelson. I'm here representing Cube Series Travel Trailers and Camper at the Arizona Flagstaff Show. So this one right here I'm going to introduce you has the front basket on it. It's 19 feet in length. It's running 1140 watts of solar with a 600 amp lithium battery and a 2000 watt inverter. Basically, I'm running all this display in my TVs off of this unit this weekend, and I still have a full charge inside. This right here is our manual version. So we make two versions of this trailer. One of them has power actuators. The other one is a manual actuator with struts that you can easily do with one person. So follow me. We use a two-fold acrylic glass window. So it's a double pane basically for layman's terms, okay? Very, very efficient for heat and cold, okay? Not gonna lose that battle. Outside, we provide an outside shower, as most manufacturers do. It's sitting on a 5,000 pound axle with two off-road tires. This particular build is built with a 6-inch frame. So we offer two, a 4-inch frame and a 6-inch frame. We go as far as Truma or standard Dometic water heaters. Everything you see, we build it, we cut it ourselves with our CNC machine. It cuts it perfect every time. So we have a basket that we've added on this particular model for that extra gear that you're always going to need, you need to have that space. Comes with two 7-gallon bottles, and I'm a big fan of this. This is an articulating hitch. Of course, you're only seeing half of it right now because the other half's on the vehicle. But what's that mean? So a lot of people have been really fond of weight distribution hitches. This eliminates that, and it's much easier to use, and in my opinion, it tracks really well. So for instance, if you're going down a hill really steep and you hit the brakes, a single axle trailer will want to wiggle. This eliminates that. And it gives you a lot of peace of mind, not to mention it's a low profile, so we're not catching any wind. Let me take you inside. All right, inside, come on in. So, right here, you have a walk-in shower with a potable, flushable toilet. It has a 2.5-gallon black tank on the outside like you'll see in a lot of manufacturers. Comes with a queen-size bed and a little extra space on each side for tucking away those midnight snacks that you're not supposed to have. So right now, as I said, we're running a camper and a trailer with the AC on both of those units. The AC's on in this unit. I could start the microwave and I'm still at 90%. Okay, and it's a cloudy day outside if you want to show them that. It's not clear skies. We have a 2-burner stove cooktop with a sink right here. Cooked some steaks on that last night, might be a little messy. 12-volt refrigerator. You can leave that on all the time because of our solar package. You don't have to worry about keeping your food getting warm or anything like that. On this side right here, this is a nice little feature. Everybody's always got a friend or a couple rugrats, it seems like, right? So we have a slide out, simple tray right here, right? And now you have an extra full-size sleeper right there. Over here, one more thing. I get this from the ladies a little bit. They're like, Kenny, where's all the storage at? I don't have a lot of storage here. Well, we thought of them too, of course. So right here I have 2 drawers. They're almost 3 feet deep and they're rated at 150 pounds. So you got that cast iron skillet that you got to take camping with you. So if you want to get any more information about us, and we'd love you to follow us, go to cubeseries.com. You'll find all your answers there.